Hi, I'm Dr. Trevor Dixon, the CEO and founder of the Jaja Foundation. We've been doing this for about 15 years now, and we started off, my wife and I started off going down to Kingston Public Hospital in a very small room. We taught about 10 physicians how to use ultrasound. This was 15 years ago. And to see how the organization has grown into having over 40 volunteers will be going on this year is incredible. It's a journey, it's a labor of love, but it's been guided, as I said, you know. We progress, we don't ask for how much we're going to progress, we just do the work and we are seeing the results. Our supporters, our sponsors, they see what we're doing, they believe in us, and that's what makes it happen. It's not just about Jaja Foundation and Dr. Trevor Dixon, it's about a movement of the supporters, sponsors, and good folks like you who come on board and help us and assist us in what we do. What would I like to see happen with Jamaica's public health care system? I'd like to see more collaboration. We have a lot of organizations who come down to Jamaica and they all do great work, but through unity there's more strength. And some of these collaborations that we have formed over the years have served us well, and we just want to see more organizations working together, because the more we work together is a happier Jamaica we will find. We have about 40 volunteers that will be coming down to Jamaica this year. We have a larger presence of dental service, a lot more dentists and dental hygienists that are coming down. We also have emergency medicine physicians primarily providing the initial care triage of the patients. We have a wonderful set of nurses coming all the way from the New York City, primarily New York City area. So we have a good cohort of individuals. We also have non-medical folks coming out to help us with the logistics, moving patients here, moving equipment, and different things. So we have a diverse group, not just physicians and not just nurses. We have other ancillary staff, and they're all important in doing all the heavy lifting and getting this mission to be a success in 1 week. I guess you could say it's a calling. I don't see it as work. This is what motivates me, this is what gets me out of my bed every day. We're here for a 1 week mission, but this planning takes a whole year. Karen Shields, who's also one of the spearheads of these initiatives, I come up with these ideas and she's tasked in trying to make them a reality. And you know, it's a job that goes on for about a year. We do our fundraising and we know what we need to do in Jamaica. So we fundraise, we push hard, we sell raffle tickets. Our raffle sellers, they're also tasked with trying to raise funds for us. So when you see our folks selling raffle tickets out there, support them. It's not something they want to do, but they also would like to see a better Jamaica, and they know it takes $1 at a time to make a better Jamaica. I'm Dr. Dixon with the Jaja Foundation. See you in Jamaica.